Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Java Stories, and we are building the LeetCode question series. And today we are going to solve the LeetCode question number 181. It's quite easy. Employees earning more than their managers. So we are given this employee table, ID, name, salary, and also the manager ID. For example, this Joe has a manager 3. So Joe manager is Sam. Sam is earning 60,000 rupees and Joe is earning 70,000 rupees. Of course, Joe is earning more than his manager because he is 70 and his manager is 60 only. If we consider this Henry is earning 80,000, but his manager, which is Max, he is earning 90,000. So he is earning less. So only Joe is earning more than his manager. 3 and 4 3 and 4 are not reporting to anybody. They only have the employees under them. That's why it's null, no manager. So what we need to do is quite simple. If I could just take this table, what I really needs, this is 3. Somehow I need to put Sam and his salary here. Suppose this is 4. I just need to put it here. And I just, after that, if I able to create this kind of a table after inner join on the basis of manager ID and ID, then what I need to do, I just need to complete this salary part only, because I know this is Joe's salary and this is Sam's salary, and Sam is the manager of Joe. If I can do this, then I could easily find the name of the employee who is earning more than the manager. So there is no need to go to the data grip. We will directly go to the LeetCode and solve this problem there only. I am in the LeetCode. I have already explained the question to you. So what we need to do, select star from employee and let me give it a name E, because I need to make an inner join on employee itself, and let me say the name as M on E dot manager ID equals to m.id. Now I have this derived table. I need to push the condition now where e.salary, which is the employee salary, is greater than m.salary, and I just need a name of e.name, and the column name is employee as employee. And let me run this query and check whether there is any syntax error or not. There is no syntax error, and also my solution is accepted. Let me submit this solution to test against all the test cases. See, I'm able to beat quite a few numbers here. So that's it. So this is the question. We have to use the self join. The table gets joined by itself only, and of course the columns are different here. If you have any problem, please watch my video basic join first before coming to this video. Also, if you have any problem with this inner join, which is basically a self join itself because both the tables are the same, then please watch this video a little slowly so that you could get the gist out of it. If you're liking the content, so please like my video, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.